Yo guys, there's this thing been flying around in my, I hear it. It's been flying around in my basement.
I got our protection.
Yeah.
Right here.
So, just watch out for it. Yo, you go search over there, right?
Okay.
Yo, I hear it.
I found it! I'm mad. Really mad? I killed it.
City,